Alright guys, this is our workflow. Okay, it's gonna cost you 2 hours and 17 minutes per day. Okay, we're gonna aim to write one article a day. Again, by following 45 days rule, we're gonna write one article a day. This is gonna be our workflow. So first 1 hour we're gonna research keywords. You're gonna spend exactly 1 hour to research keywords. Get the all semantic keywords, get all the long tail keywords, get all the whatever keywords you want to write, get all those things. Okay, now next 1 minute you're gonna use AI or you're gonna use your own mind to write outlines. Okay, so I'm gonna show you I'm gonna walk you through live how to do that. Okay, so this is a workflow. The third thing is write blog words, and you should actually take 1 hour to write a neat blog words, whether it can be 500 words, whether it can be 400 words, or whether it can be more than 1000 words. So you should sit for at least 1 hour to exactly write down a good blog article, okay, which is a human, okay, which is written by your own without using any AI. So we're going to use AI just for a research purpose and getting the outlines on long tail keywords, but we don't want to use AI 90% of the time. Okay, we're going to ignore AI when we are writing blog words. Now fourth one, design images, is gonna exactly take you 5 minutes. We're gonna design 2 images per article. Okay, so if you want, you can sit for 10 minutes and design more than 3 images, but we're gonna aim, as a beginner, we're gonna aim 2 images using Canva. Okay, now next, error check. We're gonna check if there are any errors, typos. We're gonna spend 5 minutes in our blog article. Okay, we're gonna check all the errors. Now people often make this mistake. Okay, they write a blog article, okay, whether it's using AI or whether it's using your own language, but they often miss checking typos and spelling mistakes or sentence mistakes. It's very easy to use Grammarly or few plugins to check errors and correct everything. Okay, so make sure error check is very important, guys, when it comes to ranking on SEO and everything. Okay, next we have SEO check. We're gonna check for SEO keywords, if there is any keyword stuffing, or we want to reduce the keyword stuffing, and then we're going to use rank maths, SEO title and description. We're going to spend time for that, 5 minutes, and publish an index. We're going to use Google Search Console to index our site. It's going to take less than 1 minute, and yeah, we're going to live walk through. We're going to see how it goes. Okay.